Hi, I'm Anshu Sharma. Today's topic is merge of negative and positive polarities. In ascension, as we move up, we come across various gateways that are protected by both negative and positive energies. On each vortex, a seeker is lured into various attractions. If he chooses them over ascension, he ventures into the experience of the parallel realities sideways as per his soul contract. Sacrificing the attractions and surrendering to faith and trust in higher self, he ascends. All seekers and saints eventually realize themselves as one unified being. In this state of realization, one experiences oneself as pure potential without any attributes. In a state of Samadhi, there is no movement. There is no past or a future. Only stillness and awareness exists in now. Though there are infinite ways to reach this state of realization, we can broadly say there are two main pathways involving polarity and duality. We can say one is positive and the other is negative, each holding different energy pattern or frequency. Pure intelligence can either be good or bad, depending upon how you use it. Pure intelligence is used by both negative and positive structures. There are humans who wish to experience and live a negative reality, creating a consuming environment where they live off the energies of others. Then there are also humans who wish to experience and live a positive reality, creating a cooperative and sustaining environment where everyone benefits. Both pathways have their challenges, attractions, and advantages. Depending upon the blueprint they carry, humans take repeated births, changing their realities from being positive to negative in one birth and then from negative to positive in the next birth, or the combination of both. Some stick to remaining only positive and some stick to remaining only negative life after life. However, for some souls, now is the time for a great deluge, involving a merge of polarities and dualities. When negative energies are predominant, it is no good remaining set in your positive nature. When positive realities are predominant, it doesn't serve you any good holding on and remaining set in your negative nature either. In both cases, you encounter resistance. Resistance can weaken and even break you. Too much resistance can create explosions. Resistance blocks your growth. It is like swimming upstream. Sooner or later, you will drown. On an individual level, you come across situations and people who present polarity in your face. At the time you are facing your shadow sides, it is hard to deal with the resistance you come across. You feel drained when you deal with a negative person and negative situations. Negative people also feel they have to deal with the positive people coming in their way of realizing their dreams. Depending on the time and which energies are predominant on the planet, both dualities experience pain, intolerance, lack of understanding, resentment, and lack of integration. Both encounter resistance and suffering. Even at the height of non-acceptance in facing polarities, it is good to teach your mind to remain in some sort of gratitude. Gratitude not in some airy-fairy way, but gratitude coming from a deeper place, from a deeper understanding which comes from seeing a bigger picture. Instead of totally blocking people and situations from your life, try having a few positive perspectives as well. For example, instead of just saying she or he is very confrontational or hard to deal with, try to see some aspects of the other person which are positive. For example, he or she is very confrontational and non-cooperative, but she or he is also very caring. For an example, in doing so, you are not only broadening your perspective, but you are also attempting integration. Both pathways, positive and negative, merge and eventually lead to fifth dimension. Both have to face, accept and integrate the opposing energies in order to arrive at 5D. Only through merging the polarities in an individualized conscious structure, you can hope to ascend to fifth dimension and then beyond. In fifth dimension, you flow with life, allowing infinite energies to express themselves through you. Resistance and separation are gone. In the atmosphere of total acceptance and realization of becoming whole and one. Thanks for listening. Take care.